we're going to get the truck. So we got a trailer. This is actually Mike's trailer, the one that he brought his pickup to Rausch Creek over the weekend with. He lent it to me. Now I got a different buddy who is coming with me because I've never towed anything more than my little track day trailer. He's got a diesel Ram and he's gonna hook up and he's gonna drive it, and I'm gonna, I guess, just sit in the passenger seat like a useless loser. But we're going to get the truck. Yes! I found a truck. We're just fueling up now. What's up, John?
Yo.
This guy's saving me right here. Oh, what the fuck? So, it's right over here to the left. You're gonna probably have to loop through. You'll see it. Maybe you won't see it, I don't know. There she is. There's my little turd. Hey, Summer. I came back for you. That should be good.
Alright. Now hit the brakes and let off the winch.
So the truck is officially on the trailer. Good shit. I feel like this is gonna be a really dark video, but I got a little light now, so take a look. We got the 4Runner up on the trailer. This is our final fuel stop before heading back. The transfer case is for some reason stuck in neutral. So I actually had to winch the truck up onto the trailer. She had to pull herself up. So yeah, now we're just fueling up. Gotta wash my hands and we're gonna head home. All right, guys, so currently it is 2:57, so about 3 o'clock in the morning. We are finally back.